Welcome to the My Channel Global Car, where we bring you the latest in automotive innovation, design, and performance. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Isuzu Carry-S. The brand that's known for rugged trucks and utility vehicles is making headlines again. This time, Isuzu is stepping up with a refreshed design, smarter tech, and more efficiency than ever before. The 2025 Isuzu features a bolder front grille, sleeker LED lighting, and improved aerodynamics, giving it a more modern and aggressive stance. Under the hood, expect a choice between the fuel-efficient turbo diesel engine and a newly introduced hybrid option designed to reduce emissions without compromising on power. Inside, Isuzu surprises us with a more refined cabin, soft touch materials, a larger infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and improved driver assist features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist bring it up to par with its competitors. For those who love off-roading, the 2025 model doesn't disappoint, with improved ground clearance, a new terrain management system, and reinforced chassis components. It's built to handle the tough stuff while keeping you comfortable. Isuzu has clearly listened to customer feedback, blending durability with new-era technology. Whether you're a contractor, adventurer, or daily commuter, the 2025 Isuzu might just be the most versatile vehicle in its class. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Isuzu, give us a like and drop a comment below what feature impressed you the most. Subscribe for more